Hello friends, today I would like to explain you about 5 kinds of writ petitions and their jurisdiction in High Court as well as Supreme Court of India. First of all, writ petitions are launched in High Court as well as Supreme Court of India. If you have to launch a writ petition in High Court, it is governed under Article 226 Indian Constitution. And according to Article 32 of Indian Constitution, you can launch the writ petitions in Supreme Court of India. And there are 5 kinds of writ petitions. The first one is habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, quo warranto, and prohibition. I repeat it. These are all the Latin words and Latin terminologies. The first one is habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, quo warranto, and prohibition. Coming to habeas corpus, this is the most common writ petition that is filed in many of the courts. And habeas corpus is nothing but you may have the body. In the sense, this is a writ petition that is launched to find out a person who is in illegal custody of the police or any government authority, whatever. For example, the term of imprisonment of a prisoner is 6 years, and if he is imprisoned more than 6 years and retained in the jail, that circumstances, habeas corpus can be filed against the government authorities who have imprisoned him. That is, in whose custody he is imprisoned. So, he has to be produced before the court within a stipulated span of time. So, this is called as habeas corpus. This writ petition can be filed both in High Court as well as Supreme Court of India. Then, coming to mandamus. Mandamus writ petition is nothing but we command. In this sense, it is a command from the court. This particular petition is launched against the government authorities, and of course you can add the unofficial respondent's name also in the petition, but the liability would be on the government authorities only. It is nothing but asking the government authority to do the duty which it ought to do and to respond to the pleas made by the public or by any authority or by citizen of this country. So this is called as mandamus. And the other important writ petition is prohibition. This is nothing but prohibiting authority to involve in the jurisdiction of the other or matter of the others to which that particular authority is not warranted to involve. For example, if a police official is acting with extra jurisdiction and policing his job apart from his jurisdiction, that is apart from his area of jurisdiction, and trying to threaten or trying to involve in a civil dispute. So this being the situation, you can file a writ of prohibition in Honorable High Court or Supreme Court of India to prohibit that particular authority, that is that particular police officer, to restrict himself, and you can curtail him not to involve in the issues to which he is not warranted to involve. So this is called as prohibition. And coming to certiorari. Certiorari is nothing but when an order is issued by the court or authority to quash that particular order which is miscertified, in the sense which is not a proper order. So these circumstances, you can go ahead and file a case that is writ under certiorari and quash the order or a communication or FIR that is filed against you by the authority. So this is called as certiorari. And the last one is quo warranto. This is nothing but asking the authority on what authority you have acted this way. In the sense, for example, if a matter is decided in the Honorable Supreme Court of India, and if the lower court or the subordinate court takes cognizance of that same case and readmits the same case again in the lower court or high court, the Supreme Court has got right to question the high court or the lower court on what authority you have admitted the same matter again when it is already decided in the Supreme Court of India. So it is nothing but asking the authority who is acting with extra jurisdiction. So this is called as quo warranto. On what warrant? So these are the 5 types of writ petitions which can be launched both in High Court as well as Supreme Court of India. Hope this is clear to you and this video would be helpful to you to go ahead and file the writ petitions at your necessity. Thank you.